Hey, 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 y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. What's up? My name is Mimi. It's Mighty Incredible. For those of you who are new, show me, yes, little old me some love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for my oldies but goodies, y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. So I am going to show you what I won from a giveaway. I entered into a second giveaway, and the rules were you had to be subscribed to a YouTuber. Her name is Curly Tails. Hey girl. So yeah. And you also had to be subscribed to her Instagram page. Her Instagram page is TPortis14, something like that. I will link it down below. I butcher up names, girl, so I'm so hot. So sorry if I mispronounce your last name. And also, you had to write a comment about your favorite Curly Tails video and your reason why it's your favorite. So I did that, and now I'm going to show you what I won. So this is the box. I already opened it because, you know, I was so excited I couldn't hide it. I was like, but let me let y'all see what I got. So let's start with this right here. This is a Saint Tropica hair mask. Can y'all see that? And it has virgin coconut oil inside of it with biotin and hair superfoods. Stronger, thicker, luxurious hair. I need that, y'all. My hair loves some coconut, so that's right up my alley. What else do I have? I have Shea Moisture Coconut and Cactus Water. It's a hair mask with blue agave. Okay. This is how it looks. Ooh. That's gonna be good for my hair too. What else? What else? I have this right here. This is a brown bear headband. It is so adorable. Look at it. It's so smooth. Look, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna get this around my big old head, but I'm gonna make it do what it do. I'm gonna make it do what it do. It is so cute. What else? I have these right here. It is called an Invisibobble. You can use this in your hair in place of ponytail holders. It's a plastic. Look, that's a cute cherry right there. Yep. This is a three pack right here. What else I have? I have another one in clear. These are so cute. My hair gonna love those. And I have my first wet brush. Yes. This wet brush is so adorable. Curly's Tail. She stay having some nice wet brushes. And I finally got one. Thanks, girl. And that's the back. And she stayed with these too. And I used to be like, I want one. And of course, she always has some bomb deep conditioners in her videos. And the best one, she says, come in these small packets. So y'all already know these are gonna be bomb. Alright? And that's everything, y'all. And also, y'all need to follow Curly Tails on Instagram. Follow her on YouTube. Okay, so guess what? Guess what we are gonna do? We're gonna post this video right now, okay? Run over to Instagram, follow her. Go to YouTube, follow her, come back here. I'm gonna wait. All right, so I hope y'all did everything, all right? But yes, Curly Tails is very inspiring, especially in the natural hair journey. She gave me some really good tips when doing my hair, and they have worked wonders for my hair. She is so cool, nice personality. She's a sweetheart. Definitely check her out, y'all. For real, for real. So that's about it. Let me know if you like this video. And this is the end. So as always, love, peace, hugs, and kisses. Boo. Bye.